Hello and welcome to another edition of the Techno Wizard Show. As you see, I have moved into my new lab here and I got a lot of stuff left to unpack. That's all boxed as far as you can see. There's the shelves. And yeah. So, as you see, I've migrated. And I got back from the MIT flea market recently. I'm here to show you some of the cool stuff that I found. We got this lovely little 20,000 volt capacitor, which came out of a, I'm told it came out of an old TV transmitter. And another nice, cute, shiny doorknob cap here. 30 picofarad at 10, probably kVA. This one was made in 1971 there. It's nice. I found some doorknob caps. Found all kinds of inductors here. Someone just had a box full of them. This one can fix the stand, sort of. And yeah, some more inductors. I might try some of these as primaries for, you know, small little Tesla coils, which I could use this as a base for. Speaking of Tesla coils, I got some nice caps like this here. 0.1 microfarad, 10,000 volts. And let's just kind of show you here. Oh, this is supposed to be like another high voltage mini transformer. I suspect that what I do is I feed pulsed DC into this wire, and that goes into the inner coil. The inner coil is underneath this insulation. And then a current is induced in these, I think, cloth-covered wires that are wound at that shallow angle there, such that I could draw a spark between these two outputs here, you see. So I'm going to give that a try sometime. Probably 12 volt DC pulse. This I think I could hook up to one of my bird slicer type tuning capacitors, the air variable type, and with a germanium diode and earpiece, maybe make a little crystal radio out of it. So that's pretty cool. Another inductor. Oh, I got these cute little inductors here. It looks like there was some kind of a core that went into them, but here it's just, you know, a good source of copper wire. And yeah. By the way, check out mitflea.com. We just started putting up some forums in there, helping out with that website a little bit. So check it out, sign up for an account, see the pictures of this stuff in the forums. Yeah, I got 4 of those. Oh, and I got this, more capacitors. Again, it was a box of stuff at a really good price. This one is mildly impressive, I guess. 0.5 at 8,000. Yes, just a small resistance substitution box. So instead of having to change resistors around, you can just turn the knob. There's you put that in series with your circuit, in place of the resistor leads, of course. This was only $3, and guy doing cool circuit bending. Did some cool sounds and stuff there. Sold it to me for $3. As you see, does decimal, hex, and octal, so you can use it for computer science, as well as binary there. And all kinds of functions. It looks like even calculus, a little, maybe. Is that C or is that? I'll have to check the directions out. Yeah, there's directions here. This thing just looked too cool to pass up, and it was only $5. So this is apparently a lightning protection deal here. It's basically a bank of what appear to be capacitors wired up to the 2 bus bars there. And they lead down into these inductors. Here we have N, and we have L1, And we got options for 1 and 2, I guess inputs or outputs or what have you. And it's all lined up down the center here. Each one is screwed into the other. So every one of those is connected. And so we got a part number here. What can you tell me about this piece here? Santa Barbara, California Lightning Protection Corporation. What does this thing do? Go ahead and tell me if you can find out. Yes, I can Google it, but you know me, sometimes I'm lazy. Yeah, we also got, alright, microwave oven capacitor. Not that I don't already have some, but you know, is my addition to capacitor collection. Oh, a few little odds and ends. There's a heat sink, little lamps, and ICs. This is a nice little metric, see, 50 millimeter caliper. And this set of calipers here, you take the measurements. I'm gonna take the measurements by doing this. So you would widen it out and say, here we have 5, 10. So this is per fraction of a millimeter, given that thickness there. So yeah, these are kind of cool. With this neat looking microphone. It's nice. It's got a nice old school 70s style to it there. I'd actually wire that up too. It's also functional and piezoelectric. So there you go. There is my recent addition to the collection here. That's right. I got bolts for my bench vise. I just gotta affix it to the bench now. And yeah, more to come eventually. Again, go ahead and check out mitflea.com. And then there's a new message board link there, or just go to mitflea.com/forums and take a look, see pictures of that. If you're in the Boston area and want to go to the MIT Flea Market, if you're looking to sell something or buy something, come check it out. It's a new board, we're just getting started, but we're looking for good, smart, geeky people who like to tinker with projects and hobbies like this. So this has been the Techno Wizard Show. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.